In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add shipping on Facebook Marketplace. First things first, let's head over to the Facebook Marketplace section, and from here, of course, we want to create our listing. Click on the item for sale, and then you want to fill everything up from the photos, title, price, category, condition, and more. Basically, from there, you want to scroll all the way down. You can also put shipping available on your description to go ahead and attract more buyer. But from here, you just want to navigate through the location and you want to make sure that you have set everything perfectly. And right below that, you want to make sure to select the door drop off button. And from there, we then have the door drop off menu right here. This basically means that our product will then be shipped right through their own doorstep. Click on the next button, and basically right after that, you can then publish it or share it to any one of your groups right here. And so guys, once again, you just want to make sure to select that simple menu, which is to click on the door drop off, and from there you then have this category. That's the shipping category. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.